Hello YouTube, Joshua Collin here. Thought I'd do a quick update on my tractors. Bolin still runs, but it blows blue smoke practically all the time. I might have overfilled it. And you see the wheel horse ain't in its spot. Don't mind the pan, it leaks a little. Of course, this thing's been sitting for God knows, who knows how long. What I had to do to get it start by the key is I had to bypass both safeties. Safety here and safety right here for the clutch. And also, the previous owner besides Mike, of course, new battery. The old one had 0.9 volts. This little power wire right here was on the outgoing side of the relay, so it won't get any power whatsoever. So I had to swap that over and clutch is a little sticky. The reason why I only did a short distance is I gotta hold the plow lift lever up or else it'll drop all of a sudden. So yeah, starts, runs nice. The Bolins, sorry, gas is as expensive these days. Come on. That's one problem with this tractor, is I can crank it with the ignition off. So That's why I wouldn't start. But yeah, so that's up with what's up with the Bollens, which runs decent except for the blue smoke or the white smoke or whatever. I tried to see about getting this one at least started so I could raise the mower deck. Starters had it. So yeah, it is what it is, and I just thought, oh shoot. You'll see in the very last part. I was thinking, oh, the rear tires on that other mower might work on this one, but nope. Actually, I didn't really take a good look, but whatever. Oh, I got that Group 51 battery practically for free, because I ended up help selling my friend's John Deere that he no longer needed. So yeah, there's that. Yeah, with the wheel horse, sorry if I say I'm a lock. Is I put the battery in, I tried it, or I put a new key in order to do that. I had to pull this off. So I put a new key switch in it, thought that was the problem, but no, that actually was a combination of both the safeties, clutch and PTO were they're dickered. So after I figured that out, I looked at the solenoid and that didn't look right. So now it starts, runs. So I'm just trying to figure out what could be the cause of the gas leak. But oh well, I'll figure that out in due time, and out runs and drives. So one less still a project tractor, but at least I can drive under its own power. Same thing with the Bollens, so that's kind of nice. I'll be right back. I'm back. This is the other mower I picked up. This is a Murray 10 horsepower 30-inch deck, just like the Aaron's. But this is 1996, so there's that. Literally got this for $50 because the guy couldn't get it started, had to jump the starter, and plus he already bought a new one. So as you can see, it runs, it does drive, but there is a slight issue where it surges, but I did notice that there is a tensioner that's a little crooked. This reminds me, I gotta find a replacement for this one, but it's obsolete. Yes. So it's, and this one's a gear drive versus friction drive. So there's that also. And it has a headlight too, so. So you saw it jump a few times, that's what it does, which not too big of a deal, but still. So I don't know what that noise is, but yep. So that's my other, that's my number 11th. I did get I was down to 10, but this was sort of a, oh, it's on the side of the road and it's cheap. So, and I bought it and I literally just drove it to my storage unit, then I drove it here and I hauled it here. So, yeah, that's the other one. Thanks for watching. Please comment, rate, and subscribe. Until the next video. Bye.